In today's class in 2-Minute Law School, we are talking about whether the police can speed with their lights on. Most states have laws that give police officers an exception to traffic rules when they're performing official duties. That means that they can speed, go through red lights, and even drive the wrong way on a one-way street if they're responding to an emergency or pursuing a suspect. That's called the emergency vehicle exemption. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Some of those laws say officers must use their lights and sirens. Others allow them to skip the lights if using them would interfere with their job, like if you're trying to catch someone without being noticed. But here's the important part. Even when they're allowed to speed, officers still have to drive with due regard for public safety. That's a legal phrase that means they can't put people in unnecessary danger. So, if an officer is flying down a busy street and causes a crash, they might still be held responsible, even if they were on duty. Here's a simple example. Imagine an officer is tailing a stolen car but doesn't want to scare the driver off. They might speed without lights to keep up. That could be allowed under their department's policy and state law. But if that same officer speeds to get to lunch faster without lights or sirens, that's not legal and they could get in trouble like anyone else. So, yes, police can sometimes speed without lights, but only when it's part of their job, and they still have to keep people safe. Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or you just want to win that next argument with your friends, be sure to like and subscribe to get new classes when they drop.